Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we will discuss about the question answer chapter from chapter 5. Okay. So what's your chapter? Fifth, features in paint. Features in paint. Okay. So let's start the question answer. Look, open the book and open the page number 51. Okay. So that's your question is first, what is the use of paint program? So A, answer the following question. So first answer. So right, paint is a simple graphic program used to draw and color pictures. Okay, student? Paint is a simple graphic program used to draw and color picture. Second question is name the two tabs present on the ribbon in paint. So the two tabs are first home tab and second view tab. Okay, yes, tab present on the ribbon in paint. Third question, tab present on the ribbon in paint. Third question, what does a home tab contain? So home tab contains all the editing tools. Okay. And fourth question, what are resize and skew command used for? Okay, student? Yes, that means resize और skew command का यूज पूछ रहा है. ओके स्टूडेंट? यस. सो राइट द आंसर, resize and skew features are used to change the size of the drawing. Resize and skew features and skew commands. This not commands, okay? Yes, skew commands are used to change the size of the drawing. Resize और skew commands से स्टूडेंट हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ड्राइंग की साइज जो है चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, यस, स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स कंप्लीट 4 क्वेश्चन. सो राइट द 4 of them. Complete. Do the next question, 5th. Fifth question, what is the difference between flip and rotate command? Okay, so write the answer. Flip command creates the mirror image of the picture, and rotate command is used to rotate the position of an image. Okay, student? Clear? Flip and rotate command. Okay, page number 46. Yes, so this is a flip and rotate command. Okay, change the side, okay, of the image. And next question 6, why do we use zoom tool? Zoom tool का यूज क्यों करते हैं स्टूडेंट? ओके, यस, व्हाट इज द zoom tool? So write the answer. By using zoom tool, we see the bigger and closer view of an image. By using zoom tool, we see the bigger and closer view on an image. Okay? Yes. Seventh question. What is the difference between copy and cut command? Okay? So write the answer. Copy command the image from one the image from one place and paste it at another place. Okay, student? Copy on the image from one place and paste it at another place by this command. By this command. Okay? And cut command image will remove. Okay, image will remove from the drawing area. By this command. Okay, yeah, so that's different. Copy and cut. The image from one place and paste it at another place by this command. And cut command, image will remove from the drawing area by this command. Okay. So you shouldn't complete your 6 question, 7 question. Okay. So do the complete. Okay, so next question. MCQ. B. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. So your first question is the button is present on the main toolbar. Okay, this button is present on the main toolbar. So option is second. Paint button. Okay, so first question, right answer second, paint button. And second question, the tab that contain the editing tools. So editing tools contain student किस tab में होता है? Home tab. Okay, so right answer is first, home tab. Third answer question, the tool used to draw circle shape object. So from third option, oval tool. Okay student, oval tool के थ्रू हम लोग सर्कल शेप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Okay student, yes. And fourth, the feature that changes the size of an image. Okay, किस फीचर के थ्रू इमेज की साइज हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑप्शन थर्ड, रीसाइज ऑप्शन. Resize. And fifth, the tool used to cut select part of an image. Okay, so that the tool used to cut the crop. Okay, ओके स्टूडेंट, किस टूल के थ्रू इमेज के पार्ट को हम जो है कट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑप्शन क्रॉप. एंड सिक्स, द ऑप्शन यूज टू कॉपी द ड्राइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. दैट मीन्स किसी इमेज को ओके स्टूडेंट क्या करना है, कॉपी करके अनदर प्लेस पे पेस्ट करना है. ओके, सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन. ओके, यस, इस ऑप्शन के थ्रू हम लोग ये लाइन फॉलो कर सकते हैं, ये स्टेटमेंट फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ओके, यस, सो दैट्स सेकेंड, कॉपी ऑब्लिक पेस्ट. 7, कलर पैलेट इज अवेलेबल इन. सो स्टूडेंट, कलर पैलेट कहां अवेलेबल होता है स्टूडेंट, होम टैब में. ओके, सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज होम टैब. ओके, सो दैट्स योर कंप्लीट. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, true or false. So first of all, do that. Okay, complete student. Pick the correct answer. Next question. C. State true or false. So first, quick access toolbar is present on the title bar. क्या टाइटल बार पर क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार होता है? यस, सो दैट्स ट्रू. ओके. एंड सेकेंड, व्यू टैब कंटेन द एडिटिंग टूल्स. नो. ओके. यस, एडिटिंग टूल्स कहां होता है स्टूडेंट? होम टैब पे होता है. ओके. यस, सो दैट्स फॉल्स. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, curve tool is used to draw a straight line. No. Okay, straight lines for the step tools. Okay, line tool. So this is false. Fourth, skew command is used to change the position of an image. No. False. Fifth, flip command is used to the mirror image of the picture. So yes, so true. 6, zoom tool is to cut the select part of an image. No. Okay. Yes, so that option, that statement for the crop tool, but here what's given? Zoom tool. So that's wrong. False. Okay students, so that's to complete. True or false. Okay. And next question is match the following. Okay. So D, match the following. Okay. Action, keyboard, shortcut. First, creating a new drawing. Okay. Second, saving a new drawing. Third, cut a part of a drawing. Fourth, copy a part of a drawing. And fifth, paste a part of a drawing. Okay. Keyboard shortcut. First, Control plus S. B, Control plus X. C, Control plus C, and D control plus V, and E control plus N. So for new drawing, so that's answer first. Saving a new document, control plus S. 2. Cut a part of drawing, control plus X. 3rd. Copy a part, so copy, control plus C. Okay, and paste, so control plus V. That's complete. Okay, students, and fun do and puzzle time, do the self. Okay, and next tomorrow will be completed the worksheet, okay, related with this chapter. Thank you so much, students. So please do the question answer, write in your book or notebook, okay, and learn also. Have a good day, student.